As the villagers chased the wolf away and tended to the injured sheep, Oliver hung his head in shame. He had learned the hard way that honesty was always the best policy. From that day on, he vowed to always speak the truth and earn back the trust of his friends and neighbors. A few days later, Oliver once again raced into the village square shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! This time he's really here!" The villagers, remembering his previous prank, hesitated before coming to his aid. When they reached the field, they found Oliver laughing and pointing at the sheep. In a small village nestled between rolling hills and lush greenery, there lived a mischievous boy named Oliver. Oliver loved playing pranks on the villagers, but his favorite trick was pretending there was a wolf attacking the sheep. One sunny afternoon, Oliver ran into the village square, panting and shouting, "Wolf! Wolf! The sheep are in danger!" The villagers, alarmed by his cries, rushed to the field with their tools ready to fend off the wolf. But when they arrived, all they found were calm, grazing sheep. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, a shadowy figure slunk into the village. The villagers, tired of Oliver's pranks, ignored his cries for help. But this time, a real wolf had come for the sheep. Oliver watched in horror as the wolf attacked the flock, realizing the consequences of his lies.